Hey, what's going on? It's your brother, your lover, the king, K Son Official, back with a quick video. Today, I'm driving this pretty cool Peterbilt day cab. It's a 2013 13-speed Eaton Fuller manual transmission. Pretty decent truck. Doing about 105 on cruise control. Doing pretty good. Solid little truck. Driving along the road here. Oh, loving life. As you know, I'm a freelance contractor, trucker. Living life, living large, living life on the highway. Doing it my way. But yeah, I always tell these young guys and gals, follow your passion. You have to love what you're doing. You can't just do things because of money. You have to actually enjoy it. If you don't enjoy it, it doesn't make any sense. I cannot stress that enough. You have to be passionate about what you're doing. Look at that. Nice. But you gotta be passionate, you know what I mean? You gotta be passionate, you gotta love what you're doing, you gotta put your best foot forward, and you got to, by all means, you gotta take pride in what you do. If what you're doing is not enjoyable, you don't like it, you don't really respect what you do, you will never ever enjoy your work, and life will be miserable. Remember, whatever career or job or business you get stuck in, by the time you reach a certain age, that's what you'll be doing for the rest of your life. So you have to make sure you actually love it. I'm dead serious. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm very serious. Once you love your work, it doesn't feel like work. Okay? Take my word for it. I've been doing this for a long time. Well, not super long, but I've been on my hustle long enough to know what I like and know what I don't like. So, yeah, work doesn't always have to feel like work. Work can feel like a leisure activity. You know, work can feel like going to the gym. You know, I treat trucking like a workout. I enjoy the physical aspect of it. I enjoy, you know, getting my workout on, you know, getting strong, dropping trailers, hooking to trailers, dropping the landing gear, shifting gears, busting gears. I enjoy that. So it's not terribly bad. Is it easy? Absolutely not. Nothing in life that is good comes easy. Okay? It's gonna be hard in the beginning, but as you get better and you progress and you push and you never give up, it becomes more tolerable. I am telling you. So yes, follow your passion, follow your dreams, chase your dreams, don't chase the money. Okay? If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a like, share this video with someone that you love, and put a comment down below. I read all your comments. Don't be scared, just drop a comment. I'll reply back. But again, we're gonna keep this one short. It's your brother, your lover, the king, K Son Official, signing off. I will see you guys on the next video. Stay safe, stay lovely. Peace. Peterbilt 13 speed. Woo! Look at that view.